Welcome to Storyline Online, brought to you by the Sad Asher Foundation. My name is Lena and I'm a kid. And today, I'm gonna be reading The Lemonade Hurricane. My name is Emma. My days are busy and full. Sometimes I like to sit. Sometimes I like to stop and rest. This is Harry. This is Harry. Harry likes to run, wrestle, roar, and drink lemonade. I call him the Lemonade Hurricane. Harry's days are busy and full. Sometimes too busy and full. When Harry gets like this, When Harry gets like this, When Harry gets like this, I try to stay out of the way. But it doesn't always work. I really don't like hurricanes. I wish Henry could calm down sometimes. I wish I could show him how. Then we could play together. Henry's fun when he's not a hurricane. Maybe I can show Henry how to be still. The next day, watch this, I say. Sit, bow, and breathe. When I sit, I can feel the ground beneath me. I can hear the birds chirping, and I can smell the grass. When I bow, I pretend I'm on a top of the mountain, and I can see for miles and miles. And when I breathe, I pretend I'm wind moving leaves in the trees. I can do that too, said Henry. Henry pretends he is on top of an elephant and has to bow really slowly so he does not fall off. Look, listen, feel, breathe. Please. I deep breath and Harry takes deep breath. We look, listen, feel, and smell. The Lemonade Hurricane is gone. Thanks for watching Storyline Online, Make sure you check all of our stories. Keep watching and keep reading and keep reading. Calming. I hope you enjoy this book.